Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up Camtasia 2. Prior to opening the application, please select your display settings. Navigate to your computer's System Preferences. Select the Displays tab. If your screen recording is for an SVA online low residency course, select 1280 by 800 or any 16 by 10 aspect ratio. In all other instances, select the resolution of your choice, but we would recommend best for display. Please take note of your display selection as it must match the settings within Camtasia 2. You may close your system preferences. Now you are ready to open Camtasia 2. Once Camtasia is open, now you may select your settings. If you do not see this recording bar, simply go to File and select New Recording. The first thing you want to do is select your recording region. Select this drop down and scroll to whatever monitor options you have that will surround your window with this green box. Since you already set up your region in your system settings, if you select any full screen monitor, it will record that aspect ratio. In the sound booth, you want to select the LED Cinema display, which is the display on the left side. Moving over to camera, you do have the option of having a camera on or off. So if your monitor has some sort of webcam, or if you have a webcam plugged in, you may select that. In the OLT sound booth, we use a video camera, so you would select AG HVX 200. Now you will see yourself appear on screen. Make sure you adjust your body so that you're positioned evenly inside of the screen. If you do not want to use the camera, simply press within this box to turn it off. Moving on, this top green circle indicates that you want the microphone on. If you do not want it on, turn it off. The bottom green circle indicates whether you want the system audio to be heard. So if you anticipate playing a DVD or a video clip from YouTube, make sure this is selected. In this case, you also want to select whatever microphone you have input into your computer. So if you have a USB microphone selected like we do, you would select that. If you are using your computer's system microphone, select that option. Before you begin your recording, you also want to make sure a few things are selected in Camtasia's preferences. Scroll down to Preferences, and from left to right, you want to make sure the Recording tab is selected and your frame rate is full motion, 30 frames per second. Display countdown before starting should be checked. We like to have the editor open after your recording. And remember to choose a location to save your recordings. Do not, in the sound booth, make any changes to this selection. But for your own personal computer, you may select whatever location you like by selecting Change. I recommend deselecting Delete after 14 days because you do not want these to automatically delete. You can go in and delete those on your own once you're ready. The other important setting is the canvas setting. Please make sure that your full screen recording, which will match those system preferences that you changed in the beginning, to scale by percentage at 100%. And your region recording, you want to select Use Current Region. Once those two tabs are changed, you may X out and begin your Camtasia recording.